Previously, I had mentioned that if you're going to give away a free offer, it can come in the form of a PDF report, video, webinar, you name it. But in this video, I'll show you how you can do just that with a PDF report, and it is easily one of the fastest ways you can come up with a free offer. And if you don't like the idea of creating a video or do a webinar, that's totally fine. Because with a PDF book, people can download it and read it on their computers or even in their phones or mobile tablets. So let's do just that. So I'm not going to actually write a book here on the spot, but I'm going to show you my thought process when it comes to writing out a free report. So as you can see here, this is basically a series of text notepads. It is totally up to you. But nowadays, you might notice that it takes several seconds or quite a moment for you to load Microsoft Word or a Word program because of the number of features. It's not like what it used to be. It takes a long time to load up. So normally what I like to do is come up with a notepad and just write away. It's a lot faster writing in a notepad, and I just write my contents right off the bat. But bear in mind though, when you write a notepad, the contents are not formatted whatsoever, but it's a lot faster to write away than in a Word program, especially when the pages get more or there's more content. So what I advise you to do is just write it all away in a piece of text document, or if you want to segregate it into a few chapters like what I'm doing here, feel free to do just that. Then once you have all the contents ready to go, what you do is that you open up your Word program and you just paste everything. So I'm going to just copy and paste this one in particular and paste it here.